Hello, future scientists. In this grade 12 math video, I'm going to show you what the remainder theorem is for the grade 12 advanced functions course when dividing polynomials and what it's useful for. Let's get started. So let's say you have this long polynomial and you want to factor it. One of the first things you have to do is find a factor that works and then do long division. Now, when you find a factor that works, your remainder will be 0. But long division can take some time. So constantly doing it over and over and over again until you get a remainder of 0 can be frustrating. So what we're going to do is use the remainder theorem, which says that if we have some polynomial and we simply divide it by x minus a, which could be a factor, well then the remainder is simply that function at a. So let's take a look. Let's say we wanted to divide this function by x minus 2. This is called our divisor, by the way. The function is our dividend. What we get is the quotient, and what's left over is the remainder. So what we would do, in this case, a is equal to 2, not negative 2, because the remainder theorem is x minus a. So that value a would be 2. If this were x plus 2, then a would be negative 2. So take the opposite sign from your divisor. So we're going to figure out what f of 2 is. So we're just going to substitute. So we've got 2 times 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 5. So this is 2 times 8, so we have 16, minus 3 times 4, so we've got 12, plus 8 minus 5. And that gives us, so we've got 4 plus 8 is 12, minus 5 is 7. So the remainder, if we were to go through this whole long division, would be 7, which tells us this is not a factor. So we can try this for some other possible divisors to see when we find a factor. And then when we find a factor, that can help us factor the entire polynomial, which I will do in my next tutorial for grade 12 advanced functions. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you're also taking grade 12 physics, you can download my course pack for free in the description.